Welcome to Art Lesson 2. In this video, we will be focusing on eyes and expressions, specifically mastering the Toriyama style for manga art. Eyes are the most important part of a character's face in manga and character design, as they tell the whole story of who a character is. We will be studying the Akira Toriyama style, which uses geometric shapes rather than realistic ovals, allowing you to show strength, kindness, or evil with simple lines. Today's goal is to learn to draw heroic, villainous, and innocent eyes. The three main eye shapes are heroic, villainous, and innocent. Heroic eyes are rectangular and sharp, with a flat top lid and a slight downward angle towards the nose. Villainous eyes are narrower and more slanted, often looking like sharp triangles to show malice. Innocent eyes are large, round, and open, using big pupils to show wonder, youth, or friendliness. Eyebrows are key for expressions. High arches show surprise, as they create more space above the eye. Lined eyebrows that pinch the nose show intense anger and concentration. Combining different eye and brow shapes can create a wide range of emotions. For example, a heroic eye paired with a low brow can express determination. Even small shifts in line angles can transform a smile into a smirk or a look of worry. Now let's try the grid challenge. Draw 6 identical head shapes. Inside each, draw a different expression: angry, happy, shocked, determined, sad, and bored. Use only your geometric eye and brow shapes to communicate the emotion. You will need paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a ruler. Let's review your work. Think about which expression was the hardest to capture using only geometric shapes, and why. Some expressions are tricky. Bored requires very flat lids. Shocked needs the pupils to be smaller, while the eyes get bigger. The difference between determined and angry is a subtle shift in brow height. For the plenary activity, we will play Emoji Match. Find the drawing that best matches the emotion of the emoji. Today, we mastered heroic, villainous, and innocent eye foundations, and learned how brow placement completely changes an emotion. We used geometry instead of realism to create iconic manga characters. Keep practicing those sharp lines.